Hi ladies, I'm Dee Dee. Welcome to my Sexist Womanist Bohemian channel. Pink Chill Divest is the softer side of divestment. I am divested since the 1980s, which I define as simply withdrawing, pulling back from non-reciprocals of any race. If you don't reciprocate love, care, concern, and I'm pouring that into you, honey, I pull that back and I stop. That's my divestment, okay? This lecture is a good one. And I'm coming to you as a certified mental health peer specialist. I got certified from San Francisco State back in the year 2013. All right. How to get a good guy. How to get a good man. As a middle-aged black woman, I think this is important. When I was in my 20s and 30s, I didn't have mentors that gave me specifics on how to do this and that when it came to dating. They sometimes gave me advice, but they didn't break down or demystify the steps. It's really easy to get a good guy, but you've got to do one thing. Once you get this skill, you practice this skill, your dating life goes smoother. Okay, here it is. You dump the wrong guys. You reject the wrong guys. You don't spend time with the wrong guys. You get rid of the wrong guys. You got to learn how to dump men, how to let them down because they have no problem dumping you. All of the men that have been important in my life, I met them when I was single. If you are coupled up with the wrong guy, how can you be available to meet the right guy? That's the key. You can't have these entanglements with men in your heart that you know are not right for you. And some of you who are new to divestment, you are new to swirling, you are new to being culturally competent, it's puzzling. Because if you've never dated an Asian guy before and he's wrong for you, part of you doesn't want to break up with him because he's this new Asian guy. Or if you've never been spoiled or had a protective man and you get this Hispanic guy that does everything, you're like, wow, he's so nice in all aspects, but he's not the right guy for me. He's wrong for me. You know what's right for you. You know what's wrong for you. Learning to reject guys that are wrong for you is key. This is all individual. I don't have a list. You have that list in your heart. You've got to have the skill to reject and dump men. It's easy. If you are not shacking up with the dude, you send him a text. I had fun with you. I think we want other things, and I'm saying goodbye. You send him a text. There you go. Unless you've been dating him over a year, then you call him up. I don't believe you need to see somebody face to face to dump them. I don't believe that. And some guys will be happy that you dumped them. He won't tell you that. He'll be like, wow, she ended it. Thank the Lord. Thank the Lord. Thank you, Jesus. She dumped me. I'm so happy. So what if you meet the right guy and you are with Mr. Wrong? Well, are you going to be a cheater? Are you going to be a duplicitous woman? Or are you going to immediately dump the wrong guy? That's why it's good when you get that feeling that he's the wrong guy. Don't take it further. I know, especially in the swirl world, and you're used to dating emotionally unavailable black males, and you're in this new world of men that were raised with a protective patriarchy, men who actually know how to take you on a real date. It's also new and dazzling. Yeah. Especially if you aim for marriage. And here, I am pro-marriage. Here, I do not argue the pros and cons of marriage, to each her own. All of us black women are not the same. There are a lot of black women who have never been married. Funny how that is. The never married people are so anti-marriage. Could it be because nobody has ever proposed to them and their blustery front hides their hurt? I think so. If you do want to get married, just keep dumping. Be a lady. You never know when you're going to come across him. You don't have to curse somebody out to dump them. Let him down as easy as possible. What do you do if you meet a guy that's coming on to you and he seems so nice and he's got a girlfriend and he tells you, well, we don't get along? You know what you say to him? Honey, you are great. Give me a call when you dump her. It's simple as that. If you become the side chick, girl, please, you could lose your life over that mess. People aren't playing around. People are snapping. They're going postal. Never be the side chick. In my dating life, a fair number of married men who approach me. Married men know how to do it. They know how to do it. Oh, the king of subtlety. the king of eye-effing, rhymes with muck, eye-effing. They love to like bat their lashes and tell you, oh my God, me and my wife are not getting along. The same thing goes here. Do not get involved with the married man. You could lose your life. This is not a joke anymore. Women take their husbands seriously. The husbands are the provider, the father of the children, the king of the castle. You don't want to come between a woman and her husband. Tell him, call me when the divorce is done. It's flattering to be approached by men, ladies. I know this, especially as a black girl, and you are mainly in Blackistan and you're out here being culturally competent. It is so flattering to be getting attention from the wrong men. It's flattering, and you must develop the skills to say, you know what, this isn't working for me, or I want different things. Now, some guys are not going to take it well. They will keep pressing you. Well, what did I do? What did I do? You did nothing. And you can say, it's not you, it's me, and then end it, block him, and delete everything. It's simple as that, okay? And I do believe, in general, in America, black women have been at a dating disadvantage because the culture doesn't teach women. Not only does it not teach women how to vet, how to simply screen men for availability and for maturity and all this, it doesn't teach black women and girls how to break up, how to dump men. You must polish this skill so you are single. You are not entwined with the wrong man, and when the right guy comes through, you are available. It's as simple as that. It's simple and it is easy. Have fun out there, ladies. Stay safe and have fun. I love you. I'm Dee Dee. Looking forward to talking to you. Thank you for listening to Pink Chill Divestors.